Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
We hope everyone's having a great day today. Marie and I were doing pretty good. Marie is feeling a little bit better, but she's still having some problems. So today she's going to be going back to the doctor this afternoon. But we wanted to real quick just do an introduction to our video tonight. This is for Throwback Thursday. And this week we're going to be doing a video that Marie made last year, and it is called Salmon Patties. And actually what Marie did, she cooked a whole pan of salmon patties and she turned them into sandwiches. And those were really good. Now we love salmon patties. We have them pretty regular. Normally you'd have them with some other type of vegetables, you know, as part of a meal.
Yeah.
But we wanted to make them into a sandwich, and it turned out pretty good. So y'all watch this video and see what you think about it, and we'll check back in with you after the video is over with. Marie, you have anything you want to add to that?
I think you said it real good.
Well, I'm just trying to help you out. Marie, she's standing here, and it actually makes her tired just to stand up, so I'm trying not to hold her too long. But y'all go ahead and watch this video. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you when the video's over.
Hi, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making salmon patties. One of our good friends requested that we make them, and I said I would. And so when I went to the store, I was really surprised at the price. It was $4 and something a can. And I thought back to when I first started making them, they were 89 cents. Then when they went out to $1.89, I thought, man, salmon's is really going up. And now it's outrageous. But anyway, every time I make salmons, I remember the time that I made them for my grandmother. That particular day, she passed away, and she asked me a day or two would I make her some salmons. And so I had it on my mind. I just had to make that salmon. So I made them, and I took them over there, but that particular day she wasn't able to eat them because she didn't feel good. And so later on that day she passed away. And so every time I make salmons, I always think about my grandmother. But anyway, let me get started, and here is what I'm going to be using. Cornmeal, flour, double cubed pink salmons, onions, 1 egg, salt and black pepper, and mustard. Now my grandmother didn't put mustard in them, but I do like mustard in mine. One of Calvin's relatives, she said it was good with mustard on it, and so I tried it one time, and so I decided to make them that way from then on. Jenny, I'm going to make these for you since you requested them, so let me get started. Okay, I'm pouring all my juice off, and I may use some of this juice, so I'm going to save it for later. Okay, so I'm going to be using half a teaspoon of salt and black pepper, just maybe a couple of maybe 3 tablespoons of onion, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of flour, and 1 tablespoon of cornmeal, and just a little dab of mustard. So let me get started. I'm going to mash it up real fine. I mash mine up so fine that the bones that are in it are mashed up. And me and Calvin has always ate it this way. I know some people take them out, but it's never killed us, and we love it. Just about got this all mashed fine. So now I'm going to start adding the ingredients. I'll add my cornmeal, my flour. Let me mix that up a little bit. Me and Calvin is going to have one of these for lunch today. We're going to serve ours on a bun. Sometimes we serve it up with vegetables also, but today we're going to make us a salmon patty sandwich.
That sounds good. I can't wait to get that.
Okay, now I'm going to add my egg. And this recipe Calvin will put in the description below. Okay, now I think that's all incorporated. So now I'm going to add my onion. You can omit the onion if you don't like onions. My mother put bell pepper and onion in hers, but today I'm just putting onion in this one. Okay, there's my salt and pepper. Every time I say onion, I think about that Louisiana person. They always said that onion so differently. I can't cut an onion unless I think about him. Sure do like his cooking shows too. Okay, I think this is just about the right consistency, and I'm not going to have to add any of that liquid from the can. And so now I'm going to put my mustard in. Okay, that's about, I think that's about a teaspoonful. Okay, now I have my patties all mixed up, and the first two I'm going to make a little bit bigger because we're going to have them on a sandwich for lunch today. Okay, that's my first one. Here's my second one, and we'll bring you back when the oil is ready. Okay, my oil is hot enough now, so I'm going to put my salmon down into the pan and just let it brown about 3 minutes on one side and 3 on the other. And when they get browned, we'll be back. The salmons are ready to be flipped now. Okay, there they are. About 3 minutes on the other side. Okay, my salmons are done. So it took about 3 minutes on each side. I think this is going to make us a good sandwich. Okay, I'm frying up the rest of my salmon patties, and I'm sure we're going to eat these for dinner tonight. Okay, my other patties are done. And we're going to have these for dinner maybe tonight. We made 2 big patties today, and so we made 3 little ones. But if you make smaller patties, you can get a lot more out of your salmon. Okay, our salmon is done. So I'm going to put it on our bun. And me and Calvin is going to have a good lunch. And black pepper. This is our salmon patty sandwich that we're having for lunch. It sure looks good. I can't wait to try it. I can't wait to eat these sweet potato fries along with my salmon patty sandwich. And sweet tea makes everything better. And love what you do and do what you love, and have a blessed day. Delicious. Thanks everyone for watching our videos. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and leave comments. We appreciate all of our subscribers. Have a blessed day.
Okay, hope you enjoyed that video. We really enjoyed the salmon patty sandwich.
Yeah, I got that recipe from your mother, and she got it from her husband.
Yes, that's right.
And so I noticed one day when I was up at her house that they had these huge patties about this big. And so I asked her what her recipe was, and so I've been making them that way ever since.
And that was her second husband, is who she got it from. So his name is Bill. He was a real nice man, and he did know how to make some salmon patties, didn't he, Marie? And so, well, we hope you enjoyed that video, and everyone have a great day. We'll see you on our next video.
And do what you love and love what you do. And like Calvin said, we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here